So over here, you can see that I have a bunch of images right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and view its information. In that case, I can press J key on my keyboard. And once I do that on the grid view in the library panel, you can see that this is what you have. You get more information like its resolution, as you can see right here. Let me just go ahead and zoom in by using the scroll mouse button and holding the Alt, or you can also utilize this thumbnail slider to actually zoom in. So you can see that this is what you have. Press J again and then the information is hidden. Press J again, you got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 as the labels, and J again, you get more info right here, as you can see. So this is what you have, as you can see right here. And now you can see that as I actually were to go around over here, you can see that I have the file extensions right here, just like this. I can go ahead and click on these right here, click on the top, and get more information like file name right here, like exposure values, and so forth. So you can see that I can actually go ahead and choose the type of information that I actually want to go ahead and display as I actually go around right here, like megapixels right here, captions if any right here, ISO speed rating as well. So as long as those information are there, I will be able to go ahead and see them out right here, just like this in the image. Apart from that, over here on the right hand side under the metadata, you can actually see all of the details as well. So this is what you can actually do right here, just like that. And now what you can also do is, let's say for example, on the information section, you can go around and expand these areas right here to get more information about this particular image as well. So you can see that this is what you have. So you can press the J key to get information just like that. Or you can also go around over here on the right hand side, choose a particular image right here, let's say for example, by clicking on it, and you get its details over here on the right hand side as long as they are stored. And this is how you can get information about images as you like inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.